In this video, we will show you how to give access for managing your Hostinger account. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So, let's begin. Granting a secure access to developers or collaborators using the account sharing feature provides you with the ability to securely grant access to your account to another person. For example, a programmer, a web developer, or a collaborator, Now, to grant access, all you're gonna do, click on the profile icon and choose account sharing, right? And after doing so, when you click on account sharing, you will be presented with further options, such as this one. Click on the grant access button. Here, some further information and options again, right? You can determine an access level here. Select the services you wish to share, all right? And determine if the user can set up pending orders by filling out the form. When all is good to go, click on grant access here. And once again, a confirmation message will be sent to the user that they will need to click on the link to be granted access to your account. All right. Now, to check the current users with granted access, go to the users that have access to your account right here, where the email addresses, access type, and status will be listed. Active, pending confirmation, and also you can remove access if you want, right? And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in our next video.